And then there were the geese that are flying in to take a break on their way south. And I have now put the corn out. Geese corn. Let the corn out. Now we have everybody coming up to eat. They're happy. Happy, happy, happy. Here they come landing. Can you see them, I hope? Well, you can see how black that water is. It's black with geese. Or some of them are running over here. Oh goody, we get to eat. I know, I know. Thanks for watching again. Merry Christmas from all the geese and the swans at Schoberg. I don't know what this is. It's an old quarry pond. Bye now.